Well, folks, it is that time of year where news about CES starts percolating throughout the web. We're starting to get little tidbits of information about what new gadgets, technology are going to be at the show for CES 2025. Many people have been wondering what is LG going to come up with after their stellar line of OLED panels from last year. What can they do to actually top that? What will they be able to do to go above and beyond picture quality, brightness, color accuracy in order to improve on that? So we are getting information about some of what LG has in store for this 2025 lineup. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at this leaked information about LG's 2025 lineup for CES. But before we dive deep into all the information, if you're new to this channel and enjoy staying up to date with the latest tech news, you landed at the right place. Do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button if you enjoy this type of content. All right, let's dive into this information. All right, LG's 2025 OLED TVs just leaked ahead of CES. Meet the LG C5 and the LG G5. Now, this is an article out of TomsGuide.com. So again, CES is just around the corner. We're a month or so away from there. Just a headline, just an update. I will be covering the show. I will be in Las Vegas, so make sure you are tuned into this channel right here, where I'll be having all the latest CES information for you. So, the two sets, the successors to last year's C4 and the G4 OLED TVs, surfaced online due to their certification for sale in South Korea, according to Flat Panels HD. That's where the story originally originated from. The certification includes everything from model number to actual photos, giving us the very first glimpse at LG's 2025 lineup. So, so some good things that came out of that information. It looks like there's going to be a nice bump up for those that are looking for gaming, specifically the PC gamers who will use one of these TV sets for your gaming needs. Specifically, what the information is, we know that the LG lineup last year had 144 hertz. According to this leak here, they may be bumping that up to 165 hertz on their new C5 and G5. Again, if you're a PC gamer, this would be big benefits for you. You get a lot smoother refresh rate, buttery smooth. So that's going to be something that's going to be lovely for you. So let's take a look right here. This is just a picture according to what the outlet that leaked this information. What you're saying is, I'm assuming the C4 and the G4. I can't tell on this picture which one is which, but that's what we're looking at. You see that they still looks like they're going to still have that very reflective screen on there from last year's model. So let's continue on here. The two sets were unintentionally leaked to the public after being certified for sale in South Korea throughout the Institute of Mechanical, Electrical, and Electronic Testing database. So it also certified VESA's Clear MR, a motion clarity metric that lists the G5 at 10,000, up from last year's model. Just like last year, it's set to be the only next-gen LG OLED TV that's going to be using that MLA technology, multi-lens array technology, which makes this panels a lot brighter than the previous generation or the previous iteration of OLED TVs. So if you're familiar with the LG TVs, you know that the picture quality has been garnered for has been one of the bright spots of it. If you take a look around the web, you take a look around the YouTube, the LG G4 is one of the best OLED TVs out there on the market. Now, I know some of you are probably going to comment down in this comment section, oh, it may be the Samsung S95D or maybe the Sony A95L. It just depends on your use case and what your scenario is. Either of those three are going to be great TVs, but I'm specifically talking about the LG right now. I'm not doing a review or anything, but a lot of sites and a lot of YouTubers said the LG G4, they had to choose one, probably would be the one that they would choose. But again, you can't go wrong with any of the three. I've seen them all in person. They all look pretty great. The G4s I'm talking about, they look great. But can't wait to see what the G5 looks like in person at CES. So I'm definitely excited about that. So that is something that's going to be definitely exciting information. This is just a chart that shows, you can see that here, this is the last year's model, the G4, C4, G4, M4, showing off the 55, 65 inch. You see 165 hertz right here for the 65 inch G5 right here. So now that could be a typo. We don't know. It also has a 10,000. So 2 typos in this chart is more than likely unlikely, but this could be like just further clarification that it is going to be 165 hertz for the G5 and the C5 next year. So definitely looking forward to that. Definitely going to be excited about that. So again, CES is just around the corner. Make sure you stay locked to this channel. I will be at CES covering all that content. So let me know what you guys think about this information down in the comment section. Are you looking forward to an LG C5 or the G5 coming up next year? Just drop down in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are about it down there. Once again, thank you for taking time out to watch this video. Again, if you enjoy staying up to date with the latest content, latest tech news, then you've landed at the right channel. Do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button as well. Chances are, if you have friends or family that enjoy this type of content, they may enjoy this as well. So make sure you share that with them. Also, if you want to stay up to date with latest tech news, head over to sounds30.com, where I curate and aggregate tech news from around the web, covering Apple, Samsung, Google, Android, computing, and even more general tech news, all at the website sounds30.com. And for even more tech news in video form, check out one of these 2 videos right here. Until next video, guys, stay nerdy.